Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. We were doing end of the chapter exercise of chapter 4 exploring algebraic identities, and we had completed 6 questions from this. So today let us continue it from question 7 onwards. Keep your identity sheet with you so that you can refer wherever needed, and also sit with your pen and copy and the textbook. The seventh question, I am reading it out here, and along with that, we will be just writing it. The village playground is shaped as a square of side 40 meters. So there is a playground shaped square whose sides are 40 meter. Each side is 40 meter, right? 40 meter. A path of width s meters is created around the playground. You have created a path around the playground, right? The width of the path is s meter, right? This width is s meter. Throughout it is s. Okay. Now what he wants, find an expression for area of the path in terms of s. You have to find an expression for area of the path only, not the square, only path, that is this portion area. You have to find an expression for the area, not exactly the constant area, the expression, right? This portion. It is very simple. Just as you can see, this shaded area will be the area of outer square minus the inner square. Now for that we need the side of the outer square, right? Very clearly you see that this length is 40 meters and this width is s and this width is s. So obviously this is going to be 40 plus s this side and s this side, that is 2s, right? So now you got the side of the outer square. So area of the path is going to be area of outer square minus area of inner square. Hope this is clear. Now just put the value. Outer square, the side is this 40 plus 2s. So area is side square minus the inner square, the side is 40. So subtract. So this is the expression. Now let's further simplify it. Now very clearly I can see that this is a square minus b square identity. So using that identity, I will write it as 40 plus 2s minus 40 and 40 plus 2s plus 40. Fine. This side 40 and 40 cancels, so you are left with twice of s times 80 plus 2s. Further from here, I can take 2 common and I can write it as 4s, 2 is taken common, s plus 40. This is the required expression and is our answer. Hope you liked it. Let's come to the next question, 8. It says, if a number plus its reciprocal, let the number be x its reciprocal is 1 over the number, 1 over x. Now according to the question, the number plus the reciprocal, that is x plus 1 over x, is 10 by 3, right? You can now solve it for x, finding the value of x. Very clearly, you can just first take the LCM x. This becomes x square plus 1 equals to 10 over 3, which on cross multiplication will give you 3x square plus 3 equals to 10x. Now rewriting it as 3x square minus 10x plus 3 equals to 0. Now we got to factorize it to find the value of x. Now there is nothing common, so we will use middle term splitting method in this case. Fine. So what is the sum here? Minus 10, and product is this 3 and this 3 multiplied 9. So the integers are going to be, for getting minus 10, you will have 9 and 1. Since the sum is negative, both are negative. Okay. Now split the middle term. 3x square minus 9x minus x plus 3 equals to 0. Group it and take common 3x here. You get x minus 3 here. Minus 1 common, x minus 3 equals to 0. This will further give you 3x minus 1 times x minus 3 equals to 0. The product of these two numbers is 0, implies that either 3x minus 1 is 0 or x minus 3 is 0. If this is 0, then x equals to 1 by 3. And if x minus 3 is 0, then x is equal to 3. So this is your answer. Hope you understood this. And if you are understanding it, please do subscribe the channel and also like it and share it with your friends. Let's come to the next question, question number 9. Right? Now, just look into your books. What it says: a rectangular pool has an area. Area is given. Area of a pool is given as 2x square plus 7x plus 3 square hastas. This hastas is a unit which was used in ancient time for measuring the length, right? This is that unit. So don't bother about it. He has given here the area. If its width is 2x plus 1, you have to find length. Very simple. Hope you have understood it and you can do it yourself also. But see, we know that area is length into width. Putting the values, you have 2x square plus 7x plus 3 is equal to length times width. Width is given as 2x plus 1. So you have to just find this length. Clear? That means you have to factorize this expression so that you will get two factors, of which one factor is going to be this and the other factor is your length. So in order to factorize this, let's see, nothing is common, so middle term splitting. So what is sum here? Plus 7. And what is product? That is 2 into 3. Okay, remember that product is always the coefficient of x square plus the independent term. Fine. Here the students make a lot of mistakes. Clear? So 2 3s are 6. 6 is the product. Now look for two integers which multiplied will give you 6 and on adding give you 7. So on adding giving 7 and multiplying giving 6. How it is possible? Tell me, what can be the two numbers whose product is 6 and sum is 7? So this is very simple. 6 and 1 add up to 7, and 6 and 1 multiply gives you 6, right? Now I'll write this expression in terms of these integers, right? 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3, right? Now group it. Take 2x common here, x plus 3, 1 common here, x plus 3. Now x plus 3 is common, so you will just take it out, x plus 3, and you are left with 2x plus 3. This is your width. So this part is your length, and that is your answer. Hope you understood it. Now, if you are liking this channel, please do subscribe and also share it with your friends. Thank you very much. Bye bye. We will meet in the next session with another new set of problems. Thank you very much once again. Stay happy, stay healthy.